Saying hello to Interface Builder. Select the file called main.storyboard. Click it once. It may take a second to load. And you'll see the Interface Builder editor. From this tool, you can do the following: put together working interfaces, preview them at different screen resolutions, and connect your interface elements, called views, to your code. You can also do much more, as you'll soon see. Interface Builder is a graphical drag-and-drop editor. Using the filter bar at the bottom of the object library, search for Label. You'll see the Label object appear. Everything else is filtered from the library. Labels are the most common way of displaying text in iOS. This, of course, means that's what you'll use to display Hello World on the screen of your iOS simulator. Drag the label object from the object library onto the square sitting in the editor area. This is the container that will hold all of your views. Before dropping the label, drag it around the canvas. You'll see dashed blue lines, which assist you in aligning your views, UI elements, correctly. Try using them to center your label in the view controller in the editor. This label has all the default settings. You can change them in the utility area. In the context of having Interface Builder as your editor, you can now access several new inspectors that let you do the following. Identity Inspector. Manage hidden details such as a view's class. Attributes Inspector. View and edit all the attributes accessible to Interface Builder, such as fonts. Size Inspector. Manipulate the properties and constraints associated with the size of a view. And Connections Inspector. See connections to other views, view controllers, and code. When you select the Attributes Inspector in the Utility area, you'll have access to the label's font attributes. Let's make this label much larger and bold by clicking the T icon in the font attribute. Set Size to 32. Select System Bold from the Font drop-down and click Done. See Figure 211. If you look at the label now, you'll see that the font size has become too big to fit into the small box the label is constrained to. Fix that by dragging the resizing handles on the label until it fits, and then center it again. With that taken care of, you can choose to center the label in its bounds by choosing the Center button for alignment in the Attributes Inspector. All that's left is to make this label say Hello World. You can achieve that in one of two ways. Enter Hello World in the label text field in the Attributes Inspector, which currently contains the text Label, or double-click the label and edit its text in line. You may need to center the label again afterward.